Hello, I'm Scott Bledsoe and welcome to Theories of Personality and Psychotherapy. It's a blended learning format which incorporates both face-to-face and online learning. So I want to familiarize you with the online component, the Sakai course website at this time. Okay, so this is what the homepage looks like. Please expand this video to full screen. Okay, now on this page, note that you can click on the syllabus tab at left, top here. Okay, when you do that, you can access the course syllabus, print it out anytime, but please note that I will provide each student with a hard copy of the syllabus on the first day of class. Okay, now each week there is an assigned course video and therapy video to watch before attending class. You'll click the Weekly Videos tab to access this material. I'll go straight to week 2, for example, here. And you'll see that the first video is the weekly video that you'll need to watch. And if you go right down to the bottom right, you'll see a YouTube link here. The video is actually located at YouTube, so you'll need to click on that to expand the video to full screen. Okay, please read the instructions below that. And then the second video is a therapy video, which has also has some instructions about watching the first 10 minutes of that video. And you'll do that every week. Now, one handy feature of Sakai is the reset button right here. If you click that reset button, it'll take you to the first page of the item where you are, which in this case is weekly videos. Okay, now let's move to the next column called assignments. For a number of weeks during the semester, okay, we'll have reflection paper assignments due. You'll click on assignments to find out what's due that week. I see that the first assignment is listed here. Don't worry, it's due the second week of class and not the first. I'll click on it. Okay, I'll scroll down. I see I have my instructions. I also have some handouts here that are needed for this assignment. Don't worry, I will hand those out in class, but you can also print them out here or view them if you need to. And then there's an optional handout if you want to read that as well. Let me move down to the assignment text box and even further down to the attachments section. Okay, when uploading assignments to Sakai, I would rather that you use Microsoft Word or a similar program when writing your paper. Save it as a file and attach it. Attach the file by clicking Choose File, submitting it from your computer or laptop. You're welcome to write a message here in this text box. You can say hello or I'm finished, or if you have a question, but just asking you to please utilize the attachment function. Click on Submit at the bottom when you're done. If you're submitting a second file, it may say Resubmit. Okay. One more thing, I plan to respond to every submission I receive, so please check back to the assignment section each week. Scroll down. It should look something like this, where it says additional instructors comments. So I definitely want you to come back, and if I had any comments, or I will include those comments. Okay. So starting week 4, and I'll come back here. I'll hit that reset button. Starting week 4, we'll click on this forums button, but in the meantime, I think I'll kind of bypass this, and we'll talk more about that during week 4. Next here is the gradebook feature. Okay, as you see here, please check in here for your grades for each of the assignments during the semester. Now, I want to click now on resources, okay, and then doc sharing. Okay, all of the PowerPoint resources you need, and sometimes additional readings and stuff will be located here, but all the PowerPoints, so please plan to click on these, download those, and print those out each week. Okay, and we'll find the kind of resources for the upcoming classes. So essentially, I've reviewed the main components of Sakai that we'll need for this course. Please email me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you soon in the Theories of Personality and Psychotherapy course.